Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog and everything is going so nice. Siya na school guys. So, and okay. The thing, putting your bitches on? It is not about the putting your bitches on. Sure. It's a leprechaun. It's fucking weeping, ain't it? But I feel so beautiful. Whoa. No! We're gonna censor that shit, boy.
Yeah, censor that. That's disgusting.
You're disgusting. I'll beatbox you rap. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. Hey, let's go. Me and my friend are sitting in here. When we go out, we're gonna get kicked butt. Why? Because we're gonna take ass and then we're gonna take what? Let's go. Hey. I don't know how to freestyle.
Wait, you want a freestyle? This is freestyle. Oh no. This is freestyle.
Gotta take the time to cut them off at me. I know how to make the girl go
crazy. You're like your number one bitch. Welcome back. Hello, yo, what? We are making a daily life educational video.
Wala, nagsayo. Kasi baby.
You want?